the tractor show, and we got some wood carving here. Oh, look at that. The moose is 300. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Good. Look at that. Even with the horns and everything. Cute.
I like the squirrel.
You like the squirrel?
Yes, it looks so cute.
Hello, little
I
squirrel.
have a portfolio of some other stuff up here on the table. You're more welcome to look through. We got some business
Wow.
cards if you want to take one.
Oh, yes. The business card we always take.
Definitely go on Facebook and like us on Facebook.
Oh, all right. I'm on Facebook too. Oh, look at him.
Takes care of all that. I don't.
Oh, okay. So what's this on top here for?
It was to set up like a piggy bank or tip jar or whatever.
Oh.
Set out there. I figured I'd set it out
Read the
there.
sign.
Okay. Say thanks for chipping in. Oh, that's cute. What a thing, huh? When you're sawing. Thanks for chipping in.
Yeah, like a peace sign over
Look,
here.
look, the little saw. Ah, look, a motorcycle.
I like the peace sign.
Wow, look at this one. He's a one-eye guy.
It's actually double-sided. There's a face on the back of it too. As well.
Really? Oh, yeah, double-sided.
That's one of my crazier pieces. I have another one. I have two other
Good
ones
use
that
of
I
the
like
old
to have.
marbles.
Yeah, I use marbles a lot for the eyes.
Yeah, hey, that works. Look, the big marbles, what they call them, croquets?
I'm not sure what
The
they
big
call
marbles, I think, in our days were croquets. Then you have the little marbles on the other side. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so beautiful.
Ivan would like that.
That's beautiful.
And he's all chainsaw. Some of my stuff I do use the side grinder on.
Yeah?
A lot of it I try to do just chainsaw. That one there is just chainsaw.
Wow, that is nice.
It doesn't take terribly long for it to
Oh, and
get
look at the
I
bear.
actually may do a deer
He's
head
fishing.
after
See his
tractor.
fish pole? A little fish. Eagle. And a big Indian. Oh.
I'm gonna go ahead and fire my saw up and finish cutting some more in this tractor. If you got
All right, very good. All right, he's going to continue here. I'm going to on this side here. Working on a little tractor here. Imagine having the skills for that. So slow and Danny's doing. Since this is a tractor show, he's doing a tractor. You can come through this way, Denny. Right here. Do it from this way. Show. Alright, stay tuned for more. Be sure to sub me. Join me as a friend. I'll bring you all kinds of stuff today. On Facebook and everything too, he said, so